Good morning, my dear students. My name is Palaj Vishwas, Assistant Professor, JS College of Engineering, Department of Mechanical Engineering, and also discuss the under the subject of this the computer added designs, and this topic is the sequential and concurrent engineering. And basically the sequential and concurrent engineering, this is the two different parts, and first will be discussed according to the sequential engineering, and the second is the discussed according to the concurrent engineering. The sequential engineering, the basically the sequential engineering is a type of engineering production and methods where a project is completed in a linear format, and in a sequential engineering, and the each step is worked on the on in a certain orders also will be maintained according to all the sequential engineering. And the another things, the few attentions is required during toward the sequential engineering is put towards complete the first step of the project until it is completed also will be here. And another things, on once the first step is completed, the engineering team will then moves on the on to the second steps of this the project will be considered the another things. And there is here the sequential engineering is sometimes referred to as the throw it over the team the wall. And also this will be considered according to the engineering because of linear order in which the project is completed, and completed is here. And suppose this will be considered according to what the uh, sequential engineering, and this will be considered according to what the wall engineering. You can see that this will be a design is here, that this will be considered according to what the sequential engineering. The first will be required for this the design, and this design is completed, and also this will be required for this the different CAD systems also will be required during toward the product cycles, and they are like the previously discussed according to the product cycles as well as the product life cycles. This is the concentration according to this the design is the first things also is required, and this will be comes from this the new concepts also will be here. And after completions of this the new concept, this will be given towards the design engineers, and also this design engineers is take up some the tools and also the availability, and again this will be goes completing the designs, and also the according to what is the availability, and all things will be measured, and also the which type of loads will be applied during these procedures, and also the which will be given to this the systems and again this will be completed by this the design, and also the designs will be design is transferred to this the manufacturing units also, and like the manufacturing engineers. And this manufacturing units, this will be considers the this design is correct or okay, then this will be starting for this the manufacturing. And also also sometimes we have to consider according to what is the group technology, then is the different places this will be the product or the manufactured the different parts, and then you have to concentrate that this manufacturing will be done. This is the proper way, and also this will be required some assembly procedures also will be here, and this manufacturing you need to transfer to this the assembly house also. And after that this assembly, this will be go to this the quality control assurance cell also, and after that this will be goes to this the customers. And this all things also will be considered according to what the sequential engineering. This will be over the all engineering also will be considered. The sequential engineering product developments also will be considered. A typical flowchart of a sequential engineering project would follows a series of certain steps is measured, and the first the product would be defined, and the sequence steps would be outlines also will be required during toward the sequential engineering, and as like as the product developments will be here. And then this will be the first step is comes from the concepts will be considered, and also this will be considered for this the outlines is there, and this is the chalk out the which type of products will be produced during toward the sequential procedures. And then the design of the product would take place, and and after the design was completed, the design is completed, then the process of verifications would occur also is required during toward the sequential engineering. After verification, a prototype would be created, and a few cases we can see the different type of prototype models also will be generated during toward the sequential engineering, and also during toward this the prototypes you have to analysis of this the prototypes, and again the according toward the satisfied during toward this analysis of this the prototype, then you have to consider according to the another steps also will be considered. Only after the prototype is created would a redesigns occurs also will be required, and the product would then be re-verified and re-prototypes before being sent to for testing, manufacturing, and also the productions. And this before production, this the all the design sequential and also the prototype will be creating these things also will the maintained during toward this the before manufacturing as like as the production will be done. And you can see that this will be the sequential product development approach is the given to this here, and the first is consideration according to it. This is the idea generation. That means the you have to concept according to what is the customer needs, like your the what is your the new concepts, and then you have to given a idea about this the generation. That like the your employee teams also will be considered according to this type of new generations generative products also will be produced during to this system. Then this will be launch your markets, and also the whole markets will be captured by this your the this type of products. And also the this new idea or the generations maybe comes from this the similar type of products will be launched in this market. Then you have to verify and also seen this the this product, and also the few type of difficulties will be considered. Then your R&D sections will be taken from this the idea. And another things, the idea screening also will be required. Suppose you have to give an idea in order this the production of as like as your the management, then this management also will be required for this the screening of your idea. And again your idea is the complete to this the screening, then you have to consider during toward the concept developments testings also will be required. The suppose first will be the concept will be considered according towards this the prototype will be designed, then you have to require for your testings, and also your testings will be completed. Then your the marketing strategy and also the developments will be come during toward the after concept development testings will be coming, and also this will be again find for this the fruitful results. Then also this will be sent to this the marketing strategy developments authority, and then like the this team the marketing strategy development team also will be verify that this will be concept and development, and also the test will be considered. Then again this marketing strategy development team also will be given to this the certified, and also the this concept will be coming to this the up to the marks. Then this will be transferred during toward the business analysis, and also during the business analysis the how many turnover will be come in or this company during to this type of product, and also the which will be the revenue generations. This is the consideration according to the business analysis. And again this business analysis will be completed properly, and you have to consider according to the product developments, and this product will be development proper way, and this developed product you have to go toward the testing marketing also will be given toward the during toward the product development also will be completed. And again you have to require for this the your the commercializations also will be considered according to this, because the you have to not given toward this more profits, that like your the more revenue generation as well as the commercials way, then you cannot be accept your product will be in this markets. Then also this will be considered according to your the commercialization procedures will be done, and this will be sequence will be done during to this the sequential approach development of the sequential product development approach will be considered here. And you can see the this is the another information flow will be finally the Fuji point end, and also the business case buildings also will be considered according to these figures. This is the product design will be done during toward the product being requirements also will be considered according toward the informations follow. And then this product designs will be fully considered according toward the manufacturers also will be concentrated according toward the product designs will be completed. And also this manufacturing during toward the different type of raw materials as like as the equipments and also the workers also will be available in our this the production industry. Then this will be the manufacturers will be given to your the product designs to go to this the production units, and also this will be produced during toward this the the information flow procedures will be maintained, and after this the production will be starting during to this the procedures, and also you have to produce the batch of products that like the more than 50,000 products will be produced during to the on a at a time. Then the before this the batch production, this will be considered according to the prototype production also will be done during to the few samples is the produced during to the production times, and after this completing of this the production will be the proper quality will be maintained, and also this will be considered according to the production units given to this the certificate according to the batch production or the as well as the mass production procedures. And after completing of this the mass productions, this sales and marketing, and also before this the sales and marketing is the required for this the quality assurance sales, and also the quality assurance sales will be given to this the product the certificate this is a good or the best quality product, and also there is a no defects will be come during to this the process, and after that this will be required for this the packagings will be done during to this the process, and after completing this the packagings, this is the go to the sales and marketing team, and also these teams will be given the responsible for the reaching to this product to the customers, and also required for this the customer supports, this will be reaching to this the customers, and also this will be considered according to the information flow during toward the product design systems or the requirements you have to consider according to there. And another things you have to concentrate according to the advantages of sequential engineering, and you have to consider according to the sequential engineering. There are more advantages, and the few advantages to a sequential engineering cycles will be here. And the first things, it is a simple, well-defined method and allows the everyone to remain on the same pages also will be considered according to what the advantages of this the sequential engineering. And the second cases will be here, it is an enforced discipline approach also will be considered according to what the sequential engineering. And few during to the advantage, the few disadvantages also will be here during toward this the sequential engineering. And some you can see however there is a several disadvantages as well, as for example, there is always some uncertainty at the beginning of a project also will be here, because you have to consider according to what the new concept or also the new aspects, and also you have to give in to this the new idea. That means the in a few uncertainty also will be the beginning of this the project will be belongs. And another things you can see, the changes that occurs later in the projects are difficult, and the oftentimes the expensive also will be considered. Suppose you have to produce to this the new products, and also you have to record for the R&D sections, and according to the R&D research and development sections, the few cases you can see that this product will be the not fruitful. The product also will be produced during to the research and development units also will be there, and sometimes you have to see that this will be expensive according to the generation of this the new products. And another thing, the major disadvantage is that a customer does not see a working products until the end, because this will be first cases the customers will be seen during the prototype models also will be here, and also these prototype models not will be work properly, and this will be considered according to this type of product will be produced during to this system. For this will be nodes is the found during to does not see the working products until the end, and if any changes need to be made at that point, it can be costly, and the time consuming factors also will be here according to the disadvantage of the sequential engineering. And another things will be discussed according to our the concurrent engineering. Basically the concurrent engineering is the different type of engineering from the sequential engineering, and this is the basically the another type of engineering is considers the concurrent engineering. The concurrent engineering, the C is a work methodology emphasizing the parallelisation parallelisation of tasks, that is the performing tasks concurrently. Performing tasks will be considered the concurrently, which is sometimes the called simulations engineering or the integrated product development. That means is considered equals to the IPD, that is the integrated product developments will be come using an integrated product team approach. is come here, and this will be considered the integrated product team approach. That like the integrated type of products will be developed during by this the team, and it refers to an approach used in product developments in which the functions of design engineering, basically the new type of products will be produced under development. This will be depends according to the function of the design engineering, and basically the design engineering is the taken some concept from this, or the another ideas will be taken, that like or the customers or the market survey teams also will be given the concept that this type of product will be produced in our company. Then this according to this concept, a design engineers will be given to this the new product will be developed in which this is the function of this the design engineers. And also this design engineers, the design is the completed and according to the availability of the in our equipments, as like as or this worker, as like as or the raw materials availability. This is the considered according to the design will be completed, and also this will be sent to the or this is the manufacturing engineering. And during to your this is the manufacturing engineer, this is the given to this the which type of equipment will be available, and also this is the production scheduling also will be done during toward the manufacturing engineering. This manufacturing engineering and the production scheduling, and like your equipment availability of your the during to the schedule of production, and this availability of this the schedule of the workers. This all things also will be considered according to the production planning, and schedulings will be done during toward this the manufacturing engineering. And this manufacturing engineers is required to this the other functions are the integrate to reduce the time required to bringing the new product to markets also will be here. And this is the this type of effects will be done by or this the production engineering also will be here. And you can see that this will be the concurrent engineering will be layout is given, that like the concurrent engineering, that likes the product will be first cases is comes from this the product design, that likes your the product will be designed by this the different new concepts will be comes from this the customers. And also this product designs will be taken, that like by this the different idea will be consideration by this the or this the design engineers, and this will be considered according to which type of process designs also will be required for this the consideration according to what is the product design. And suppose your the process will be designed, the which type of process will be the best, and according to your the product will be produced during to your the system of manufacturing, then this will be consideration by this the when this product will be designs. And another things, the before product design, this is the new concept will be found by this the by this customer feedbacks, and also the customers response, and also the market survey will be considerations. And during to this considerations you have to find out for this the new idea about this the product designs. And then the initial feasibility also will be here by this the product designs, and also the product geometry also will be comes known during toward the product design concepts. And also you have to concentrate according to what is the process design. Then you have to given to this the process design by this the which type of process will be the best. And suppose the process A and also the process B also will be concentrated, just like the you have to plan A and also the plan B. This process you have to produce this product, then this is the what is your the defects, the minimum defects will be come during toward this the product. And also the this plan B will be considered, that like the process B will be designed, then which type of defects will be come during toward this the product will be produced. Then this will be the concentration the given. The design alternatives also will be considered according to the process designs. And another things will be considered, the tool design is required during to the when the design engineer will be concept the which type of tool is used when your the product will be manufacturing. Then the this a few times you can see required for this the new tools, and these new tools will be used. And also sometimes you can see the design engineers will be designed to this the new tools, and that like this is consideration according to the tool designs. And these tool designs will be completed, and also the materials specifications also will be required during toward the tool designs. And in generally we can we know that the this type of materials or the raw materials will be cut, then your the tool materials also will be the harder from this the parent materials or the raw materials will be cut by your this tool. Then this is the consideration according to the materials specifications when we have to maintain, then during to the tool will be designed properly, and for this will be consideration according to the material specification, that like the which type of materials is used to this the tool designs. And another things you have here, the design alternatives, and sometimes will be consideration according to the design alternatives. The here these tools will be not work properly, then another tools also will be considered. This is the also will be the concentration according to the design alternatives. And sometimes we have to require to the stain the targets also will be considered according to the tool built. Now when the tool is built during to this procedures, then sometimes we have to consideration according to this the stain targets, the which type of stain will be maintained properly. And another things, the tool geometry also will be considerations, that like the what is the rake angle, what is the clearance angle, what is the shank also will be here, what is the plank also will be there, what is the cater wire will be done or not. So this is the how many rake angles, the orthogonal rakes, the what is the principal cutting edge angles, all things also will be consideration according to the tool geometry when you have to tool is the design properly, and also your tool is the built. And another things is the here the shop floor productions, and also the design alternatives also will be considerations. And the manufacturing feasibility, this will be comes out during our the try outs, that like our the layout of this system, that like your the production procedures will be maintained, the products layout, the what is the line type of layout, what is the try layouts will be comes during toward the manufacturing feasibility will be consideration during toward the concurrent engineering. And another things, the measured strain, the which type of strain will be measured during toward this the trial layout. Suppose your the system will be breakdown, or the your this is the properly works or not, this concentration according toward the measured strains also, or this the tryouts. And another things will be here the production, that like the machine settings. And similarly during toward the problem during toward the machine settings is the considerations during to or this the concurrent engineering, the which type of machines will be set up, and also there is the no difficult or the disturbs will be come out during to this the procedures when your product will be or your manufacturing will be done during to this system, and your production will be during to the production time, there is the no disturbance you will be comes in your machines, and this will be required for this the setting of your this machines properly. And also before starting productions, then you have to consideration according to this machines will be trial versions also will be required. And sometimes you have to concentrate according to this properly maintenance of these machines. And also sometimes we have to trial will be given. And another things will be consideration according to the maintenance properly. And also this maintenance is comes from this the different type of problems can be solved by this production systems. And another things will be required, and after complete these productions, and also this will be goes to this the maintenance, and like is the quality assurances, and also this will be reached to this the customers properly, and also given to this the customers feedback. And all things will be completed during toward this the current engineering. This is the according to the customers feedback, this product will be fully furnished. And why do companies adapt concurrent engineering methods will be here. And the notable business benefits of concurrent engineering makes it a compelling strategy to adapt, because the introducing concurrent engineering can be lead to the competitive advantage. Basically this will be considered according to the reducing in the time to market, means that means that business gain in and is over their competitors also will be here. Basically this will be comes to this the least time also will be required during toward the competitive advantages, that like that this is the less time you have to use the your product will be launch these markets. Suppose this COVID-19 situations, the which country will be first introduce the COVID vaccine, then this will be consideration the which country is the reduce these times. And then you have to gain for this production units, as like as your the business procedures, the all things also will be consideration according to the reduce in the time. Then this will be advantages also will be here. And also this is the adapted concurrent engineering methods. And another things, the enhanced productivity earlier discoveries of design problems means potential issues can be corrected soon rather than at a later stage in the development process also will be considered according to the adapted concurrent methods. And another thing, the decreased design and developments also will be considered according to what is the adapted concurrent engineering methods. And this will be decreasing and design and developments. This will be development time, that is the make products which match their customers' needs in less time and at a reduced cost also will be here. This will be consideration the decreased design and the development time also. And basically the adaptive basically the concurrent engineering methods will be concerned according to this reduced to the time. This is the all considerations, just like your the design and developments and also the competitive advantage and also the enhanced productivity. This will be consideration here. And another things is that the advantages of concurrent engineering and the fast things will be consideration according to the faster time to markets will be consideration according to our the advantage of concurrent engineering. And the first is the major advantages that concurrent engineering offers is that it allows companies to deliver their products to markets is in a much shorter time frame. When the product development stage run consecutively, the workers on the prototype stage must wait until those at design phase have completed their task. And this will be completed, and those on testing phase must wait until those in prototyping phase are finished, and so on. And another things, all of this waiting can delay product releases here. And the concurrent engineering allows the workers on several stages to work simultaneously, shortening the time to markets. And basically this will be considered according to this the faster time to markets also will be here during to this the all considerations. And another things, the enhanced quality also will be here. The concurrent engineering practice also enable workers and managers to discover any production issues earlier in the process, which leads to a higher quality products also will be consideration. Because the higher quality product will be produced during to this the procedures, then you have to survive in this markets properly. Because the depends on this the quality, your product survivability will depends, and also the costing and also the revenue generations will be depend according to the product quality. And another things, this practice also reduce design revisions, the unworkable prototypes and excessive testings to arrive at the highest quality product in the shortest times also will be consideration according to the enhanced quality. And another things, in the auto manufacturing examples, that like your the auto manufacturer examples, any issues involving the aerodynamics of the car are uncovered earlier in the process by the testing team. And another thing which allows the design and prototyping team to work towards solving the problems. And another things also will be considered, the lower development cost is comes. The bulk of company cost associated with the creating a new product involving the design and development process. Managers can use concurrent engineering as a powerful tools for reducing those early development costs, since a concurrent engineering practice decreasing the time spent in the design and development phase. Companies can deliver a product faster, better and safer than their competitors. In the auto manufacturer example, concurrent engineering practice allows the design, prototyping and testing team to produce a factory ready car design in much less time and at a lower cost to this the company also will be considerations. And another things is here, the increased productivity. The while the consecutive engineering requires that workers on a later stage wait for those in earlier stage, concurrent engineering allow worker the opportunity to be productive immediately and throughout the process also will be here. This process allows workers to focus on the project as a whole rather than focus slowly on their area of specialty. You can see here this will be consideration according to the sequential engineering as like as the concurrent process also will be here. The first will be considered according to the sequential process, the marketings, and also this will be goes to your the product specifications, and during to your the product specification, this is the goes to this the engineering design conceptuals, and another thing the during to this the conceptuals, this is the come is the concept, and engineering the concept to goes to this the engineering design, and also the details will be come here, and during to your the details, this is the detailed, and also goes to this the production engineering also, and from this the details this will be goes to this the build, and another things will be here during to this the test engineering, and another is completed the test, and this will be built is the procedures will be done during to the test, and also this is the purchasing will be come, and during to this the purchasing, this is the comes to this the manufacturing units, and after that this manufacturing will be completed, this is the goes to this the sales, and also the sales to this the customers, and this is the comes to this the sequential process, and another things during to the concurrent process will be comes from this the marketing, engineering design concepts, and the engineering design details, and also the production engineering, and also the test engineering, also the processing engineering, and also the sales. This will be considered according to your the different groups also will be considered, and these groups will be goes to your the product specifications, and also given to this the new idea, and also given to this the concept, and from this the concept, this will be considerations will be the details, and also this is the build of these details, and also this will be goes to this the testing, and after that this is the reaching to this the manufacturing sales, and after completing this manufacturing, this will be goes to the sales, and another thing, this is the forward case also will be given, just like your the customers to this the manufacturing, sales will be done during to the customers, and also equal to this the feedback to this the manufacturing, to this the feedback to this the test, also the this will be given to this the build, and also the details, and also the concept, and again this will be reaching to this the new products, just like your the product specification will be considered according to the concept, the concurrent process, and this will be reduce the time. Okay, these classes already we can we discuss the concept the sequential engineering as like as the concurrent engineering, and this is the two different tools is the discuss in this lectures, and thank you.